Environment Canada is warning that frigid temperatures and blowing snow will persist across the GTA and Ontario through Saturday as a winter storm system continues to move across the region. While a winter storm warning has ended for the GTA, a weather advisory remains in place, with frigid temperatures expected to persist.
Is negative 22, but being out here feels so much worse. The wind has died down, but
Toronto sat at -14°C Saturday morning, though it feels more like -26 with the wind chill.